Welcome to this week's video. We're glad that y'all came back. Ignore the childish setup behind us. It's an apartment. I don't know what you expect. This week, we are going to give y'all some updates. The bus is currently being worked on at the moment. It's 70-ish% done. Mainly they're working on electrical. A lot of it's installed. They've installed the multi-plus. They've installed the vent fan to keep everything from not catching on fire. They've installed the breaker box. They've installed the shore plug. We're hoping at the end of this week that work will be done. And we're hoping at the end of next week that they're going to have some other kind of small tasks, such as fixing the roof hatch so it'll finally stop leaking. So second, we're currently consolidating our apartment down. In preparation of that, we're gonna have some content this week on that for y'all to see. At the end of this video, if you do like it, you could subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. You could like the video, comment. Commenting is actually one of our favorite things. To give y'all an idea of what we're talking about by mess, this is what our apartment looks right now. Some of this stuff is coming with us, like to give y'all an example. We're obviously gonna still shower, and we're still going to brush our teeth, but some of the stuff like board games and excessive things, like extra boots and stuff, some of it's not coming.
Okay, so Alphonse has to get all of his stuff into these two boxes. So his clothes, his shoes, his bathroom stuff, all of it. Let's see if he can do it. What do y'all think? Put a comment below if you think Alphonse can fit all of his stuff in these boxes. All right.
Okay. So I guess you'd start with this stuff. You take it and you throw it.
Good luck.
Penny.
Oh, you bonked her head.
I'm sorry, Pop.
Aw, Penny. She made herself right at home.
That falls more under camping.
What is all of that? Camping knife?
I actually don't really know.
Your pocket knife that we found.
A power brick.
All right, what's in that bag?
It's just cables.
Oh, okay.
And that's just a camping knife.
Okay. All right, that's one bin done. On to the bathroom.
Yes.
Oh, are those your new socks?
Yeah, they're from, hold on, Danish Endurance.
Danish what?
Danish Endurance. And these stylish, unsponsored socks are rather comfortable. So before we actually pack this stuff up, we should probably explain what all of this is. This is a bellows, lanterns that have apparently stuck together, and they pull. And these are really convenient because you can hang these up in a tree like this. They're big brother. And this is just a giant water bottle. It is 1,400 milliliters fuel, butane to be specific. This is a shovel, a very dirty shovel. This is an axe. It's great for firewood, which does come up from time to time. And then first aid kit is kind of self-explanatory. This is actually a backpack first aid kit. So just kind of contains your basics, your band-aids, some tape, scissors, gauze, antiseptic, etc.
Are they expired or are they still good?
They are still good. I checked recently.
Okay, great.
This is a cutlery set. Fork, knives, and of course a spoon. This is a Nalgene, just a little container. I've used this thing probably like
is it a Nalgene
20
brand?
times. Mm-hmm.
Oh.
So, used it about 20 times. I love this thing. It's really great if you want to keep food in something or water. It actually isn't the most leak proof in the world, I would argue, but it's good when you want to keep bugs out of your food. It will not protect you from bears, though, so just kind of keep that in mind. These suck at keeping odor out. And this last thing we've actually never used, but we're excited to use it. It is a stove. Gas goes in the bottom, and it is propane or butane. It is dual use. This is a puppy, does not come with it. So you turn this little guy here, and this depends on how much air goes into it. And one of these little guys screws into here. Guys? So this guy right here, you pop him open, and he goes into here. And you put your pan up on here. This is a heater, as you can see, a little heat spreader on the inside. And this little guy up here kind of helps you slightly regulate, though I'd argue that this thing kind of sucks.
Oh. Yeesh. Well, he did it, y'all. Almost.
Yeah,
I mean,
so I'd call this a success. It all did eventually end up in the bins, kinda. Penny clearly approves.
I don't know. It's awfully, it's awfully high out about this, but we'll give it to you. I mean, time will tell. Time will tell if it will all fit.